At this stage, no matter how good the LCD and OLED display technology is, it cannot replace this ancient display, the 7-segment display. Because until now, many fields cannot do without the 7-segment display. The main reason is that it is cheap, stable, and relatively easy to control. Next, let's talk about how simple its principle is. This is a 7-segment display. It has 8 segments in total. A to G are for displaying numbers, while the 8th segment, DP, can only display a decimal point. Each segment of it is an LED light. When BC is lit, it displays 1. When ABCDF is lit, it displays 0. It has 10 pins. The cathode of the LED lamp is connected to pins 3 and 8. The remaining pins are connected to the anode. Because the cathodes are all connected together, it is called a common cathode 7-segment display. If the anodes are connected together, it is a common anode 7-segment display. Pins 3 and 8 are connected together, which we call the COM port. So, how to control this 7-segment display? It's very simple. Just ground the COM terminal. Then connect these pins to the microcontroller. If you want a certain segment to be bright, give it a high level. If you don't want it to light up, set it to low voltage. It is no different from controlling LED lights. A 7-segment display is not difficult to control, but how to control multiple 7-segment displays? Look, it has so many pins. It can be regarded as 4 one-digit 7-segment displays packaged in one piece. It is also possible to use the control method just mentioned, but it requires 32 pins. The pin resources of a single-chip microcomputer are very precious. If all 32 pins are used to control the 7-segment displays, it will cause a great waste of resources. At this time, the clever human thought of a very clever way. That is to light up the 4 7-segment displays one by one. That is, when the first 7-segment display is lit, the other 3 are turned off. Then the second one lights up, and so on. Will we see the 7-segment displays flickering? No. The flickering frequency between 7-segment displays is very fast. The human eye looks like 4 pieces of light are on at the same time. At this time, its connection is like this. But only 12 pins are used at this time. The anodes of LED lamps are connected to 8 pins. The other 4 COM ports are also connected to the microcontroller pins, rather than to the ground. If we want to control the first 7-segment display, give the COM terminal of the first 7-segment display a low level. At the same time, the other 3 COM terminals must be given high level. Because if the cathode of the LED is connected to a high voltage, it will not light up anyway. Finally, we only need to output high and low levels to these 8 pins to control the 7-segment display. Remember, if you want a certain 7-segment display to be on, you must give a low level to the COM terminal of that 7-segment display. The video ends here. If you like it, don't forget to bookmark it.